Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Wednesday, May 5th, 2021. I see a whole bunch of people dressed up as teachers today. That's amazing. Make sure you give your teachers a lot of love. Let's start today with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Make sure you're really quiet and you can just kind of settle in for story time this morning. I remember when I was a kid, I used to love it when my grandma and grandpa would tell me stories and I would just sit there at their feet and listen to these amazing stories. And the thing I found out later is that some of these stories actually taught us a lesson. And the story I'm going to tell you today is one of those stories that teaches you a lesson. And it's about truthfulness. And some of you already might be thinking, I think I might know what story he's going to tell. And you might, because I'm going to tell a super famous story about being truthful. I might put my own little spin on it. I'll tell you the way I know it. I'm sure other people know this story a little bit differently, so you might hear some different details. I'm going to talk about the story called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So, here's how the story goes, at least the way I've been told. So a long, long time ago, there was a village, and this village was a little village out in the hills, and there was a little boy who lived in this village. And as he grew older, his family said, hey, you're growing up. It's time to start helping out. And we've got a job for you. We need you to take the sheep out into the hills to graze in this fresh green pasture where they can get all the grass that they need. And the little boy said, oh, I don't mind doing that. I love our sheep. They love me. I know all of them. That's fine. The only problem is, look, I'm just a little boy. What if something bad happens? I can't actually protect the sheep. And the villagers said, no problem. Don't worry about that. We're pretty close by, actually. All you have to do is hang out there with the sheep. And if you see any problem or anything bad happens, you just yell as loud as you can, and we'll come running and we'll help you out. You just need to be out there and be the eyes. And so the little boy was like, okay. That sounds like a good job. I can totally do that. And he was feeling super proud, and he took his sheep and started heading out towards the hill nearby the village, and the sheep started eating, and he was watching out and keeping an eye out. Didn't see any predators. Everything's looking good. The sheep are just eating. And you know what sometimes happens with kids? You start to get a little bored, and he started to get a little bored. And he thought, I've been doing this for a long time. I wonder if it's time to go home. And he looked up, and oh my goodness, the sun was right up overhead. It was only lunchtime, and he felt like he'd been there for days. So he sat there and got bored some more, and then he thought, oh, you know what would be hilarious? This would be so funny. Oh my goodness, I'm going to scream wolf as loud as I can, and then everybody in the village is going to think there's a predator, and they're all going to come running, and this is going to be like the funniest joke ever. So he gets there, he backs up, he gets his hands up, and he yells as loud as he can, wolf, come quick! The sheep are going to get eaten! Wolf! Wolf! And the villagers started running. They left their jobs. They left their house. They left their food that was cooking. They ran to help him, and they got there, and they said, where's the wolf? Let's get the wolf and chase it away. And he just laughed, and he said, there's no wolf. I got you. Ha ha. But the villagers weren't laughing. They were like, His mom went home and their dinner had burned because she left it on the stove, and other people didn't get their jobs finished that day because they had to walk away from their work to go chase the wolf that wasn't even a wolf. And he didn't really realize, he didn't notice their faces and notice that they were actually pretty upset. And they said, don't ever do that. That's not okay. Only yell wolf if there's really a wolf. Okay, he said. So the next day, he takes the sheep out to the pasture again. The sheep are all eating. It's about lunchtime again. He starts getting bored, and he's like, you know what? That was actually pretty funny yesterday when I yelled wolf. I know the grown-ups didn't really think it was funny, but like it actually was pretty funny. I think that I'm going to do that and trick them again. So he gets his hands up. He yells as loud as he can, "Wolf! There's really a wolf this time! Come fast!" And the villagers come running out. They notice there's no wolf, and this time they are just super mad. They go back to their home. He thinks it's hilarious, and he's like, "Oh my goodness, that's the best joke ever." And I made all the grown-ups mad, so that's kind of funny. They go back to the village, and they're mad. Well, the third day, he goes out to work, and he's thinking, you know what? I'm not playing any more jokes. I'm done with my joking ways. That was funny, but it was kind of mean. I shouldn't have done that. And he realized that he had made a mistake, and he was sad about that. And he was thinking that day, and he thought, you know what? I'm going to be a more responsible shepherd, and I'm going to take good care of these sheep. And then he noticed something off behind a rock. There was these like big gray rocks, and it looked like one of them moved. And he looked at it a little closer, and wait a minute, that rock is moving. So he got up and he walked a little. Oh my goodness, it actually was a real wolf. He freaked out. He didn't know what to do. Wolf, there's a real wolf. Come save me. There's a real wolf. And he's watching the wolf, and he's just a little boy. He can't do anything about it. The wolf is creeping up. The wolf is getting ready to jump on a sheep. Come on, there's a wolf. There's a real wolf. The wolf pounces, grabs the sheep, takes it off into the woods, eats it. And the boy was just devastated. He went running home to the village, and he's like, "Mom, Dad, a sheep just got eaten by a wolf." And he's just crying, and they're like, "What are you talking about?" "Oh, really, a wolf came and ate the sheep. I was yelling and nobody came." And they said, "Well, we heard you yelling, but we didn't come because, the last 2 times you yelled, it was just a joke, so we didn't believe you." And ever since that day, he learned, it's super important to tell the truth. What I want you to talk about with your class today is, if you don't tell the truth, if you tell a lie, or if you tell, a joke, a lie that you're trying to think is funny or something, what happens? Will people believe you? Chat about that for a minute. You can chat about the story. Maybe you can think of some things the boy could have done differently in this story. Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.